is a city where new meets old, the Queen of Deccan, a bustling and vibrant economic and educational hub of Maharashtra. The twin cities of Pune and Pimpri Chinchwad are two of the fastest growing cities of Maharashtra. As a Punekar, I am proud of my city. But rapid urbanization has brought forth its own challenges, like traffic bottlenecks, increase in the number of private vehicles. It's getting difficult to move anywhere around the city these days. That's why I decided to ditch the traffic chaos and switch to the wiser alternative, Rainbow BRTS. Rainbow BRT combines world-class infrastructure and technology to give Pune its very own smart public transport system. 4 corridors in Pimpri Chinchwad and 2 in Pune. Passenger information system, smart bus stations, single station for both direction of bus movement are only just a few of its exciting features. Central dedicated lanes for BRT buses help in speedy commute. How cool is that? I don't worry about getting stuck in traffic jams. Pune and Pimpri Chinchwad have proposed a network of nearly 113 kilometers of dedicated BRT corridors. Cities in our country and around the world enjoy the success of BRT. Now it's our turn.
As a working professional, I look for any mode of transport which helps me reach on time, since I have to manage my time between household duties and my career. Smart Rainbow BRT has made it really easy to commute. Route maps and the bus timetable displayed on the website help me plan my journey even before I leave my house. ITMS allows real-time information of bus arrival at the bus stations. It's also easy to know the next stop through display and voice announcement from inside the bus. New routes and high frequency of buses ensure that I will always find a ride across the city at any time of the day. Buses have GPS and all buses and bus stations are linked with the BRT control room at Swargate, which tracks bus movement and gives feedback to drivers to improve service. Even if I get late coming home and have to catch the last bus before midnight, the bus stations are well lit and there is presence of security staff at the bus stations. I've never felt safer while using the bus. For me, this is Rainbow BRT's biggest advantage.
I really love to travel by Rainbow BRT. To reach the bus stations, I know I have to cross at the pedestrian crossing when the signal turns green. The bus stations are so wide and spacious, and with the security staff, it's so much fun to explore it while I wait for the bus to arrive. I feel so confident about going to school alone, and it is so much fun. I remember almost all of the bus stations on my route. There are 21 bus stations on the Pune corridors and 68 on the Pimpri Chinchwad corridors. Rainbow CNG buses are eco-friendly compared to diesel or petrol vehicles. Even if there is traffic jam, the separate bus lanes help driver uncle and I reach my school, home or tuitions on time. I feel so happy that I am also responsible for making Pune healthier and cleaner.
I have travelled in buses my whole life. Now I do because Rainbow makes journey so easy and comfortable. Ramps at the entrance with railings, covered spacious bus stations with seating. Rainbow bus stations are designed keeping everyone's comfort in mind. Before my retirement, I chose to travel by bus to save money. Even now, with all the comfort and technology BRT offers, it still remains the most cost-effective alternative for me. Level boarding facility really helps people like me. I can easily and smoothly get into and off the bus. It's not going anywhere till I have boarded. Each bus station is only 500 meters from each other. which means Rainbow BRT bus station will always be easy to reach. I have had to wait on open bus stops, wave a hand to stop a bus already spilling over with people, climb steps and even run to catch it at times. Rainbow BRT brings a promise that things are changing. I don't depend on my children to drive me places. I relish the independence and the comfort Rainbow provides.
प्रवास नवा पर्याय नवा